Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Betterment in AP Intermediate. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Betterment allows students to improve their marks in subjects they have either failed or passed. You can choose to apply for Betterment in one or more subjects, giving you flexibility. This process is designed to help you achieve better academic results, so let's get started with the steps. The application process is straightforward. Begin by obtaining the official Betterment application form. This form is usually available at your junior college or can be downloaded from the official AP Board website. Carefully fill in all the necessary personal information and academic details. Make sure to clearly indicate the specific subject codes for which you intend to apply for Betterment, ensuring accuracy. Next, you'll need to handle the fee payment and submission. There is a prescribed fee for each subject you apply for Betterment in. Pay this fee at your college's designated counter. Remember to attach any required documents, such as a photocopy of your previous intermediate hall ticket. Finally, submit your fully completed application form along with the fee payment receipt to your college principal or the administrative office. After successful submission, collect your new Betterment hall ticket from your college a few days before the exams. This hall ticket is crucial for appearing in the Betterment examinations. Attend the exams on the specified dates, giving your best effort. Once the results are declared, you can check your updated marks on the official AP Intermediate Board website. Good luck with your improved scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.